Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can make a World App account. In order to do so, here we are at world.org/world-app. And as you can see, World App provides simple and easy access to the World Network. It's designed and developed by Tools for Humanity and can be used to safely store a World ID, exchange digital assets, and access many apps. And you can come here to get the World App. But let's just scroll down here a little bit and get an idea for what we can accomplish with the World App. It allows you to you can download the World App from your App Store to your mobile device, and it's been intentionally designed to be simple for everyone to use. It enables you to securely and anonymously prove you are a unique human online with World ID, using your digital assets, accessing many apps, and claiming World Coin tokens where available. Discover many apps on World App. Explore a variety of many apps now available on World App designed to enhance your daily tasks and productivity. You can subscribe to their newsletter. But let's go ahead and click on Get World App. And here you can see, if you come to the website, click on that, then that's going to give you the QR code here that you can go to directly to, whether you're using the App Store or Google Play. It'll take you there and you can download it directly to your phone, and whatever phone type you're using, whether it's on the App Store or Android, then you can set up the account. Or you could just come here and click on either of these and you can download it from there. But just go to the App Store or go to the Google Play Store and search for World App, and you can download it for yourself in order to start an account. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look at the link in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you will get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. I can personally vouch for it. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.